Pagdating nyo ng Shikip Me, exit B, tapos nasa right side, may elevator siya papuntang highway sa taas. Sumakay kayo dyan, tapos paglabas nyo, andyan na main road na kaagad. Bale, paglabas nyo, dire-diretso lang yan hanggang dulo, doon sa may optical center. Pagdating nyo dito na side, kumaliwa, tapos makikita mo yun yung optical na store. Pagkatapos dire-diretso naman. Diretso lang. Hanggang doon sa pinakadulo, diretso. Then, turn left. Tapos diretso ulit. Pagkatapos pagdating dito, makikita nyo naman ang sign papuntang taas. Sundin nyo lang yung stairs na may kulay green. Kulay green ang hawakan papuntang taas. Madadaanan nyo rin to yung mga prayer area nila. Tapos may mga exercise area na mga matatanda. Diretsuhin lang papuntang taas. Tapos kumanan. Pagkakanan mo, diretso ulit, may makikita ka namang bantay dyan. Yan sila, tumatawag, lalo na pag malapit na mag-close ang gate. Kaya yan siya, nagsisignal yan siya na bilisan. Tapos this way. So yun na, paakyat ka na papuntang Ex-Shamshoipo Reserve. Ex-Shamshoipo Reservoir was rediscovered in 2020 after being decommissioned for more than a few decades. Since it is first captured in the public eye in 2020, the rediscovery of the Ex-Shamshoipo Reservoir has unveiled a local legacy from the British colonial times. Possessing granite, pillars, brick arches, and concrete floor and walls, the reservoir hybrid concrete and brick construction is an eye-catching hallmark of the architectural transition. The reservoir was completed in 1904 to the service of residents of Kolongtong, Shamshoipo, and Taihangtong. It was declared a Grade 1 historic building in 2021 by the Antiquities Advisory Board, a statutory board of Hong Kong. In 2017, the Water Supplies Department discovered cracks at the top of the underground reservoir and 3 routes breached the dome of the reservoir, posing structural hazard to the entire establishment. After confirming the reservoir has no longer in use and receiving no objection from the Antiquities and Monument Office, the WSD decided to demolish the reservoir and designated the government land for the general use by the Lands Department. The demolition work began in October 2020. By December 2020, the disused reservoir has rebuilt to contain brick arches and cement roof in the Romanesque architectural style. And now, this is only the eye-catching for the visitors who go into the Ex-Shamshoipo Reservoir. Just try to find a nice angle to get a beautiful picture. Pagkatapos namin nag-ikot sa loob, hinanap lang namin yung exit, tapos nag-retrace lang kami pabalik sa Shikip Me MTR station. Bye! See you!